Welcome, welcome. I want to give you three basic chord progressions that are used mostly in churches. I am going to start with 2, 5, 6 in the key of G. It is a chord progression. You identify it and play it. You practice. Where is our G? The first G is here. The second G is here. The sounding is the same. You feel the sounding the same sounding. And we have the C shape of G here. Allow me to use the C shape of G. Now the chord becomes the Do. Then learn the scale. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Very nice. The Do. The Re becomes the chord 2. So that is where our... So from G, we have G. From G we have A. And remember it is an A minor. So we have G, then A minor. How do we play A minor on the open chord? That is A minor. A minor. Mark how I'm holding it. A minor. Now, A minor the same sounding, you feel? Let me see it well. Now from G, we go to A minor. That is our 2. Then we go to 5. Do, re, mi, fa. So you can start. Our 5 becomes the D. And our 6 becomes the E. And remember, 5 is a major, 6 is a minor. So you can play. So in this case, when I play that, I'm playing the chord progression 2. How do I know that this one, how do I name this? From G, we come to A. And this one is A minor. Remember, I've held this one this way, this chord this way. It is a major. But because we want a minor, we hold this one. I've held it as a minor. So then come to 5, which is a major. Then come to A again, A minor. Then go to 6. 6, which is E. And remember, it is an E minor. So we have identified A minor. We are now identifying the E minor, because I've told you we are doing 2, 5, 6. So our 2 is A minor. Remember, if I hold it this way, it will become A major. But if I hold it this way, A minor. So this one is this is A minor in the shape of E, caged system. Remember, if that one is 2, our 5 is D, and 5 is a major. So we have this D here. We have this D here in the shape of C. This is D in the shape of A. This is D in the shape of C. They are the same sounding. And this is D in the open chord position. So you can play this. As I have told you, this is 2. Then play the 5 major. Then go to the 5, which is E major. Then go to 6. 6 is now a minor. This is D major, sorry. Then 6 is a minor. It is a minor which is called E minor. So this one, if I hold the C shape of this is E major. How do we get the E minor? Very simple. You hold it that way, release this finger. So you can play that chord progression by playing the chordant notes. Remember, this one is also E major. E major. So we have D. This one is E major, but this other one is D. Are you getting the sounding? If I hold it A shape, the D in the A shape, E major in the C shape. But my interest is E minor, no, A minor, then come to D, D major, then come to finally E minor. So you can play that's a chord progression you can practice on. The other one is the normal one. Let's do it in the key of F. In the key of F, this one is F. The other F is here. The other F is here. The other F is here. Cage system. If you want me to explain step by step how I get those chords, please comment there below. So the aim of this lesson is to tell you the chord progressions you can play in church and identifying them correctly. This is F. So in the F, I want to play 1, 4, 5, which is the normal one. Yesu ni wangu wa uzima wa milele. Yesu ni wangu wa uzima wa milele. Yesu ni wangu wa uzima wa milele. Yesu wangu wa uzima wa milele. That is a very common one. Or oh, my God is good. Oh, my God is good. Everything about. That is 1, 4, 5. Then we have 1, 5, 4, which is also common. Don't confuse the sounding. The first one was sounding 1, 4, 1 5. That is the 1 4 1 5. Then we are doing now 1 5 1 4. 1. So those are the common chord progressions that can be done in church for most songs. You can just do most songs using the 3 chord progressions. Please, if you feel that this up to this point this lesson has been beneficial to you, I urge you to subscribe, comment, share, and we shall be blessed. My one-on-one lesson number is 075444905. If you need me to do any part of the lesson to improve on it, please comment below. If you want any new kind of lesson, please, I'm free. Consider subscribing. We learn from each other, and may God bless you.